Hi again. So this video, I'm going to do one example from the Khan Academy, the minor summative for lesson 12. So this is in the unit 4 folder, lesson 12, graphing quadratic functions in intercept form. The name is a little different here. Graph quadratics in factored form. Okay, so this, let's see. I actually did a very basic mathematical error when I was doing this the first time. So now I'm going to fix my problem and show you what I did wrong. So here's our original problem. H of x is equal to -4 times x minus 3 times x minus 1. So I wrote it out here. There we go. Then I identified my A is -4, my M and N. These are our x-intercepts, or our zeros, where the graph will cross the x-axis. Remember, you need to use the opposite of what you see in the parentheses. So the -3 becomes a positive. The -1 becomes a positive as well. Now we need to find our vertex, which is HK. To find our H, you can, if it's easy, you can look what's right in the middle of these two, and that would be 2, or use your formula, which is m plus n divided by 2. 3 plus 1 divided by 2 is equal to 4 divided by 2, which is equal to 2. Did not make a mistake there. So that is our H. To find our K, we're going to substitute our H into our original equation. So where there's an x here, we're going to put in a 2. Now we have -4 times 2 minus 3 times 2 minus 1, which gives us a -4 times a -1, which gives us a +4. 4 times 1 is 4. Somehow I made that equal to 1 instead of 4. So we'll try this answer. So now our vertex is going to be our H and our K, which is 2 and 4. So now we're going to go to our graph, and we're going to go over 2 and up 4. So let me move it. Let's see. I don't know why it's not letting me move my vertex. There we go. Okay, so we went from, originally it was right here at the origin, so we went to the right 2 and up 4, and that makes sense that it's facing down because our A is negative. Now we need to, Khan will only let you put in one x-intercept here, so we can either put it at 3 or 1. Go back here, I'm going to move it over to 3, and we can see that our graph is a vertical stretch, which is what it should be if we have a whole number here. It's facing down. Hopefully this time I did my math correct. And so sometimes, let's check it before. All right. So sometimes you are doing everything correct and you did something simple like I did and just multiplied wrong. So don't forget, you can also use, so what helped me realize that is that I used the hints down here. And I said, I'm still doing everything right. Why is it wrong? And then I saw my multiplication error. Okay, I hope this helps.